like 60 projects throughout the San Gabriel Valley that were on the map that we were trying to get ready to build, and we were maxed out. And then the fire hits. And then within the first 2 weeks, it's like the world changed. It's like, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna do this? As we're trying to figure out how do we go from 0 to 7, from 7 to 40, 40 to 100 houses a year, in addition to what our existing workload was. We had to get smarter about how we're doing things.
Saw is not cheap, and it didn't really make sense for us because our volume wasn't quite as high as where we wanted to be at. And as soon as the fire hit, Brian Wong essentially said, it's time to get that saw. So you can save between $8,000, $10,000, $12,000 per house using this saw based on efficiency and accuracy. And then I'll tell you, it wasn't just the saw. Once we got the saw, we understood we needed some more accessories. So we needed a dust collection system. We need to have an air compressor that kind of moves the things through the saw. In this space, we needed a kind of a smaller, more efficient forklift. So we got an electric forklift, and I went back to Totten Tubes, and they funded all of that.
We're honored to be able to help. All of us in our family have either lived or worked in Altadena. This was really personal. Lots of people we know lost their homes. We're really happy to provide some hope.
We've had experience with kind of supply chain endeavors where we've been able to work with vendors and customers, and it gave us some basis to create our own little supply chain effort to raise funds for this saw.
Habitat created an opportunity where it's a very direct impact. The wood is going to go directly into these houses, and people who lost their houses are going to live in them.
Pasadena City College. Super excited to partner with you guys in your vocational training programs and get students hands-on experience on the saw. And then they can use that for, when they're looking for jobs in the future, or maybe we'll hire some of them.
It's very powerful, and it's just lovely to see, even in this kind of small gathering, the interconnectedness and sort of collective impact that it takes to really help recover Altadena.